Hello, it's Kiana again with Well and Sage, and this week we're going to be doing something a little bit different. We're going to be showing you how to make healthy hazelnut chocolate truffles, because sometimes you just want a healthy treat. These truffles are super easy to make. All you'll need are half a cup of hazelnuts, 4 to 8 pitted dates. The dates that I was using were on the smaller side, so I ended up using 8. 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder, 2 tablespoons of almond butter, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, and some coconut sugar for rolling the truffles in at the end. So the first step is just going to be to plop all your ingredients into a food processor, except for the coconut sugar. Then you're just going to pulse everything until it forms a paste. After that, take 2 teaspoons of the paste and just roll it into a ball, and then repeat that same step until you used up all the paste that you made. The last step is just to roll each ball into some coconut sugar on a plate to coat it, and then you're going to want to put everything in the fridge so that it can solidify for a few hours. And this is the final product. We really liked these because they're not too sweet, but they still feel like you've had a treat. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. Have a wonderful rest of your day.